everyone, today we are finally going full out on the exhaust because today we are ditching this big, heavy and ugly catalytic converter for this, a Decat pipe. And I think in combination with SC Project slip-on, it is going to be mad loud. Although you don't have to remove the headers to do this mode, I think it is a little bit easier when they are off the bike. So we are gonna take them off together and I'm gonna show you how. First we're gonna remove the side fairings. It is a fairly easy, you have a couple of T25 Torx bolts. Then we're gonna remove the slip-on. Then we have 8 of these bolts and I'm feeling right now it's gonna to be a big pain in the ass. And then we have these 2 brackets and the whole headers should fall down together. Alright boys, now when the easy part is done, we have to disconnect our 2 lambda sensor, and the plug for lambda sensor is here. And you have exactly the same lambda connector on the other side. For these bolts you are going to use a 10mm socket with multi-angle teeth. Alright boys, I finally did it. I removed all 8 bolts from the headers. One tip I have for you is to unscrew these 2 bolts here and remove this coolant bottle. This will give you much better access to your headers. And except that tip, I don't have anything else for you, just patience. And the only thing left to do is to remove these brackets here. We have 1 on each side, and for that we are going to use T45 Torx bolts. Alrighty, alright. Oh. And it's free! It's free! And here it is, guys, in all of its glory, your headers and your catalytic converter. Now it's time for the most stressful part, and that is cutting. To install our Decat pipe, we must cut here and here, about centimeter to centimeter and a half from this weld over here. After this, there is no turning back. Well, that was sketchy. That was sketchy as fuck. And now we have our headers cut. Catalytic converter. We're gonna weigh it a little bit later to see how much weight we lost.
A few moments later.
We weighted this guy and his weight is 5.2 kilos. So we removed from my bike 5 kilos of weight. Not so bad.
It's not too bad.
Okay guys, we are finally married our Decat pipe with our headers. It wasn't a straightforward process because either I have ordered the wrong size or they send me the wrong size, but I have to grind this lip here to make this pipe fit properly. The only thing left to do is to install our mounts here from our catalytic converter, and we are ready to install these parts back on the bike. Now it's time for a freaking cold start. Now it's time to compare the sounds with a Decat pipe and without a Decat pipe. But before that, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!